most traders are still using 20 strategies in 2026 market. And that is exactly why they are getting stopped out by gold. Gold has changed a lot. The volatility is higher and the liquidity sweeps are more aggressive as before. Okay, so today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm revealing my exact gold strategy that I use to navigate these markets like a pro. No gatekeeping, no fluff, just the mechanical rules I use to find high probability entries. If you want to stop guessing and start trading gold with institutional precision, let's dive in. To trade like a pro, let's stop looking for support and resistance and start looking for value areas and liquidity pools. My strategy rules are on three specific pillars. First of all is time of the day, narrative and execution trigger. So pillar number one is the killer zones. Okay. So first of all, time is more important than price. If you are trading gold at Tokyo session, like on Monday, you are trading noise. I only look for setups during two windows, the London Open and the London New York overlap. Why? Because that's when the big money enters. Okay. If the setup doesn't happen in these windows, we don't trade. We just don't take the trades. We only trade those two windows. So this is strategy step by step, guys. First of all, you identify the market bias. Okay. In gold, ask yourself, is gold trending or we're sweeping a previous day high? Right. You can use two time frames. For example, you can use a 1 hour time frame, 5-minute time frame for entry. Right. Now, for example, here we are going to first look for the daily bias on our 1 hour time frame. So now here the day bias was a bullish trend, right? So here we drop to 15-minute chart, right? And wait for the market structure shift, right? We shall always trade the market structure shift, guys, on our lower time frame, which is a 15-minute time frame. So here, when I drop to my 15-minute time frame, I'll see a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift, guys, right? A market structure shift, it means that the market has swept liquidity down for the buys and it has swept liquidity up right here, if this is for the buying trade, right? So after identifying the market structure shift here, we want to see the smart money reveal their hand by breaking a key short-term high or low. So here we wait for the retracement. We just not going to just buy, just wait for the retracement to a zone. Here the zone that we shall look at is a fair value gap zone right here. After the market structure shift, wait for the retracement to the zone. After that, you execute your trade. You can see that when traders executed a trade on a fair value gap zone here, of course, the TP was on this previous high that the market created, and the stop loss was below our fair value gap, guys. And you can see how the market behaved there, right? So example number two that we can talk about is a bearish trend. So here the bias, of course, it was bullish until here it made a market structure shift on our 15-minute time frame. So now here the market swept liquidity from up here, and also the market swept liquidity from down here, making it to be a market structure shift, guys. Of course, here we had to wait for the retracement to come to our fair value gap, which was right here, guys, right? So you can see that when the market actually came to your fair value gap, it gave you, I just tapped in it and traders just took the short positions from right here in our fair value gap zone, right? Of course, the TP and the stop loss, they have to be there, right? So this is where we get that tight stop loss and that 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk to reward, right? Remember, your stop loss has to be tight and you can get a low risk to high reward trades, right? So now with this strategy, you can be able to trade gold perfectly and wait for it on your key zones. And when you combine it with the trading zones and with the trading sessions, New York and London, it will be really perfect for you guys. So if this video has helped you, consider subscribing to Jim FX, share to friends so that they can also benefit.